In this video we are going to demonstrate drawing with your machine in ZebraCut. So within ZebraCut we have the Connect tab, which we can use to jog our machine precisely, and you'll see there's a machine trail which is being drawn on the screen. So much like playing the game of Snake, you can move around with your machine in various directions. Now at any time we can obviously clear this using the Clear Layers button, and that will remove the overlay that we've previously drawn. Now what I can do is start to use the machine position for drawing within Rhino. So for example, if I negotiate my machine to let's say the center of a piece of material, I might then want to try and draw a circle. So in the Rhino command line I might type in circle, and it's asking me for the center of the circle, and I know the circle needs to be at this position where the machine currently is, where the laser pointer is on our machine. So I'm just going to say paste this into the Rhino command line. There we go, and it's now asking me for a diameter. I want to draw this to be a radius of exactly 100 millimeters. I press return, and there we go. I now have a circle correctly located on my piece of material. You can also use this with, for example, drawing rectangles. So if I move this around and I know that I want to cut a rectangle, and I can locate it with my machine using the laser pointer by jogging around to the correct position, I can then type in a rectangle. It's asking me for the first corner. I'm at the right position. I'm just going to press paste. Then I'm going to go and jog my machine. This time I'm going to use relative jogging, so I want to go maybe 100 mil in the X. So I'm going to say go to dot, and the machine has moved. But now I want to jog manually in the Y to the correct location, so I'm not quite sure what the measurement is. Now I know that the laser pointer is over the correct position, so I can just press paste, and now I have a rectangle of the correct size. This works with any Rhino command which is asking for a position. You can just press the paste button in order to draw with your machine. So another common example would be using Polyline, for example. So if I jog around to multiple positions, maybe I'm tracing a curve or something, I can paste in this point, then I can move a little bit further, and I can paste in this point, and then let's go over here, and again I'm tracing with the laser pointer, and I want this point as well, and so on. I can actually form myself a polyline using the machine and tracing what we're actually seeing on the machine bed itself. So I just clear layers, you'll see the trail there. Also just press return when it's the last point. I've now got a nice polyline shape. You can also use that with curves, either control point curves or curves through particular points. Generally you'd want to be using points through, so the interpolated curve here as well. So endless possibilities using Rhino and this functionality, but the nice way of being able to link the physical world with your digital canvas within Rhino and ZebraCut. Thank you very much.